lovelies, welcome back to Love Jhanelle. I am Jhanelle. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Consider subscribing if you haven't done so already, and let's get on with the video. As you can see from the title, today we're going to be exploring what's in my gym bag. I actually really enjoy watching these kind of videos. I like to see what people are carrying to the gym with them. The items in my gym bag may vary from time to time, but for the most part these are the items I usually carry. I usually go to the gym first thing in the morning around 4:30. I don't need to carry a change of clothes or anything like that. I go already dressed for the gym. So the things I use, or the things I have in my gym bag, are just pretty much things I need to use while working out. First, I'm going to start with the actual gym bag itself. This is a Reebok sports bag. It's just a simple purple camo bag. Is it purple or like violet? Anyway, I liked the color and I liked the design, so I got it. And I also like the price. So I got this bag from Ross for I think about, it was either $11.99 or $9.99, but it wasn't expensive at all. It isn't very fancy. It does the job. It has this mesh compartment on the side and one zip along here to house some things. There aren't any compartments inside, which I feel like I would need if I was going to the gym in the evening and I needed a change of clothes, but because this is just carrying some extra equipment that I might need, this is fine for now. Starting with the mesh compartment, I have my headphones. The headphones come in the carrying case. They are very reliable headphones. I was using a cheaper pair of headphones and they broke. So instead of me getting another pair of headphones that will break very easily again, I just invested in some good headphones because I know I'm going to be frequently going to the gym. So I just got some decent headphones. I would link them in the description bar if you're interested in a pair, but Bose usually has excellent sound quality. What are they again? Bose. Alright, I should have had it prepared, but this is the Bose Sports something or something sport. I will have it listed on the screen so you'll see. Also in the side compartment, I do keep a pair of old headphones. Just in case I forget to charge these ones up, I do have these as a backup. I've had these for a million years already. But if I need to, I'll just use these. They still work pretty well. These are some Skull Candy headphones I got from Target a while back. And as you can see, they're tangled. Now in this side part with the zip, I usually have my keys. I don't have my keys with me right now, but I usually have my keys in this side part. And the keys have the little, what you call it, like little keychain for the gym, like the little pass, the card. So that's usually on the side, along with, I'm just gonna take everything out. On the side I have these headbands just in case I need to tie my hair up. I think I saw a fact somewhere that they said like 40% of black women avoid going to the gym because of their hair or something. They don't want to mess up their hair or something like that. I'm not gonna put my hair above anything, but there are times when you wake up in the morning and you're like, what am I gonna do with my hair? And also another thing quickly that I do bring to the gym, but not necessarily in my bag all the time, is hat. A few weeks ago I went to Disney and I saw I guess the collab with Disney and Nike. It was hot, I needed a hat, and I just went and got this one. So sometimes when I go to the gym, I just pop this on my head, so whatever the hair's looking like that morning, I'll be alright. See, I didn't really think hats suited me before, but after getting this one, I kind of like it. I don't like the fact that it's white, but I just try my best to keep it clean, and I am going to get some other hats. This is really lightweight, it's breathable, and it's comfortable to work out in. It looks cool too, right? Also in the side of the bag, I usually have a lip balm or something. Sometimes my lips get dry, so I just have a lip balm just in case. I also have this. I just keep it in there because I just recertified with my CPR AED, and they were handing these out, and I said I didn't know what to do with it. I said, you know what, it could just stay in my gym bag because that's the most the most likely place that somebody would pass out. yeah, so I just keep this in the bag. Hopefully I won't ever have to use it, but it's in there. Now to the main part of the bag. Usually these two items are in my hands, or maybe one might be in my hand and the other not, but these are my water bottle and my, what's this? My blender bottle and my water bottle. So my blender bottle, I usually have my pre-workout, which is usually beet powder, and I mix it with a little water. Got this blender bottle from Marshall's, I believe. It wasn't very expensive. It comes with a pill, or it comes with the protein powder holder here and a pill case, but I took them off because I only needed this blender bottle. My water bottle, this is a glass water bottle. I rather use the glass than the plastic. I got this from Aldi, and I think it was like $7 or something from Aldi. It's one of the it's a sports bottle. And yeah, I can't say much more than it's a water bottle. I also keep cleansing wipes in my bag. I keep cleansing wipes in most of my bags. I like to feel fresh as much as possible, so I just keep this in there along with a body splash of some sort, any flavor. I just have one of these, and in my handbag I usually keep like a smaller one, but this is the size I had and it fits in my bag fine. So yeah, I keep this just in case too. These are just the just in case things, but yeah, I have these in the bag. And I also keep sanitary pads in here. So I have the pads, or menstrual cups, tampons, anything. Like I have one of these bags. These are the Ipsy bags that I kept. So I keep one of these in each of my handbags, or any bags that I'm going to be taking around with me. I usually have my sanitary products in here just in case. Also in my gym bag I keep a pen and a notebook. This usually just has some of the workouts that I plan to do on that day. I also record how much weight I am lifting at the time, just to keep track of what I am doing and how I'm improving. So a notepad and a pen, which is somewhere in the bag. Pen. I also keep these wipes in my bag just in case the paper towel dispensers are empty. I just make sure I have this with me. I don't use it often because they're pretty good with keeping the paper towels in there. So these wipes are just to wipe down the machines before and after I work out on them. I also keep my gloves in my gym bag. These are to make sure I don't get all those on my hand, even though I still do get them. I think maybe I need a better pair of gloves, but I got these, where did I get them? I think I got these from Marshall's. Yeah, I did. I got these from Marshall's quite a few years ago. I used these and another pair, alternate usually depending on what kind of trainers I'm wearing, kind of color coordinate, like but yeah, I use these to protect my hands. I got this from Five Below, and that was before I got my wireless headphones. These are the pouch for your phone. I needed them when I had the wired headphones, but since I don't use them, well, I don't really use the wired headphones anymore, I don't need this as much. But like I keep the other wired headphones as backup, I also just keep this in my bag just in case I have to use them again. But this I got from Five Below for $5. So what I have left is pretty much equipment, things to assist me during my workout. I carry, what are these bands? I carry resistance bands. I got a set of these here. I keep them in this just to contain them, but I got these. There are 4 bands, so it's 2 of these and 2 long ones. I got them from Aldi, and I think they were on clearance for $5. The original price isn't much more than that, but they serve me really well. I am looking for a thicker one that's a different material, but these are working fine. I use these to help activate my glutes when I'm doing a leg and buttocks day. Another thing I carry in my gym bag is my skipping rope or jump rope, depending on where you're watching this from. Sometimes I don't want to use the machine to warm up, so I'll use this depending on who's in the gym at the time. And usually that early in the morning, they're not really gonna tell you you can't, but I don't think it's within the policy. I don't think you're not allowed to bring your own rope into the gym, but no one says anything, and I'm like, who gonna check me, boo? No, for real, I don't. Nobody bothers me about it, so I just do it. These are America, and I got them from Marshall. I think it was on clearance too. Yeah, so this was about $5. It's probably retail more than that, but I remember paying around $5 for these. All right, getting to the bottom of my gym bag, I carry this with me. This is a barbell cushion, and this is what I use to do my what's the thing called, like to do hip thrusters and squats on the Smith machine. The bar is really hard, so you usually need a cushion, or I usually need a cushion. Gym usually has their own cushion. Sometimes someone else is using it, or they've misplaced it, and I can't be bothered. So I just decided to buy my own. I got this from Amazon. I will link it down below. I can't remember the price of it right now. I'll put it on the screen, and I'll link this actual one down below if you're interested. They come in a variety of colors. I'm a pink, but is this pink or red? I got this one. With this came these straps. It's like to use this to wrap around my ankles so I can do leg raises or something like that. There's different ways I can use this, and that is it. That's why I carry my gym bag. When I do go to the gym in the evening and I have to change clothes, I do have a lock, but I haven't had to use it for a while, so I've misplaced it somewhere around the place. But I usually have a lock for the lockers. Like I said before, I'm gonna list all of the items down there. If I can find the same items or something similar, I'll link it down below if you're interested. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and until next time. Do